Hello, I'm Jen from Starshell Communications, and this is my video all about sales funnels and how to build your first sales funnel, a step-by-step guide for beginners. So to just briefly explain, a sales funnel is what we used to call a customer journey. It's the stages that a customer goes through when they first learn about you to becoming a paying customer. They're really important to plan out, and there's lots of things that you can do to help automate the system and make it as easy as possible for your customers to follow through the steps. In this video, I'll cover over the different steps that you need to do, including what sales funnels are, why they're important, how to track and optimize them, and at the end, I'll give you details on how to sign up for my free download about how to build sales funnels that actually convert. So in the first step, we need to understand the different stages of a sales funnel. So at the top, we have awareness. This is where the customer learns all about you, your product or service, and where they found you from. Now, this can be from a number of different places. If you are a product or service-based business, maybe you've been tagged in social media on somebody's post. Maybe they've walked past your shop. Maybe they've seen an advert if you're paying for ads. There's all different ways that the customer can become aware of you. The next one is interest. So this is where the customer might follow you on social media or come through your door. This explains how they first show an interest in your products, and this is the point where customer service becomes key, because if they're receiving good customer service at the start, then they'll stay with you till the end. The decision process is next, and this is where we need to nurture them in towards making a purchase. This is where past customer testimonials or product reviews or live demonstrations of products can go a really long way to help convince customers to actually purchase from you. And the last stage is the action, where they do purchase from you. So this can look a number of different things depending on your business, anything from signing up to your course or your service to actually purchasing a digital or physical product from you. At this point, we can do things like have special offers in place, free P&P. If people add things to their cart but they don't check out, you can send them an email offering them a discount if they do. There's lots of different bits we can automate along all different steps to help make this journey as seamless as possible. So there are 4 key points that we need to look at when we are setting up our sales funnel. First of all, you need to know who your key audience is. So this is really important because then you get to sort out a buyer's persona or your ideal client. As soon as you've got this set up, then you'll be able to direct your copy and all your graphics and everything towards them. Now, all buyers are all slightly different, although some do have different trends. If you're looking to sell to business, then you probably need to be advertising on LinkedIn. If you're looking at direct to consumer, then Instagram is probably your best bet. However, if your target audience is older, then they may not be using the internet at all, and they may need to look into different ways of physical advertising, such as adverts in newspapers. There are loads of different ways that understanding your ideal client can help you through every single step of this. So it's really important to nail it down to start with. The next step is to create the valuable content. So at different stages of the funnel, you need different sorts of content. You need to look at all sorts of different media for your content, from YouTube videos to podcasts and blog posts. All of these can be repurposed into different content to be used across your social channels. The next step is to design your landing page. Now, we call it a landing page because it's where the customer lands on when they come to visit you. So this is the key point where you get to decide and sell to your customer why they should choose you. So there's different things that we need to include on here. Social proof is a big one, as well as obviously the price and how to sign up and some objection handling as well. The final step is an email campaign. Once they've signed up for your freebie, you can send them emails to convince them that they should buy from you, as well as personalized emails and automating follow-ups. The third important step is tracking and optimization. So in this, you need to use things like Google Analytics or a CRM software so that you can track where all your clients are and where they're falling out of the funnel. Perhaps all of your clients get through to a certain stage and then nobody buys. Why is that? Is there something wrong with the copy at that stage? Maybe the purchase button isn't working correctly. Constantly tracking and optimizing is the key to success. You can also try A/B testing. Now, this is where you have 2 different versions of the same landing page, for example, and you put them both out there, and you can test to see which one resonates more with your client. What you think might work for your client might not be what actually does, and you need to test it to see which one is the best. You do need to constantly refine your funnel. As much as I would love to say that this is passive income and you can leave it, constantly checking it and improving it and updating it is the best way to keep the funnel actively working for you. So they're the main steps that we've got included in this. If you'd like to, I have a free resource which you can download, which is all about how to plan your ideal funnel and make sure that it actually converts. I'll put the link in the bio at the bottom for you. So there we go. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you'd like to give me a follow, all my links are below. And if you've got any questions or comments, please drop them in the box below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.